NTDD has conducted a fuel efficiency test after reprogramming the engine control unit. On the 2nd of February 2012, the Coordina company installed monitoring equipment and software in a DAF XF 105 460 HP truck to supervise all vehicle parameters and data during its daily runs, combining digital tachograph data with GPS geolocation data. The Coordina program processes all the information collected, from driving-related data to route details and vehicle parameters. Once the hardware is in place, the vehicle goes on the road to perform its regular duties. The truck goes on its normal routes between Tudela and Bilbao and between Tudela, Barcelona and Valencia. It almost always runs at full load with a maximum weight of 41 tons. After 1 week with the testing equipment, the data was analyzed and the ECU was reprogrammed, and both the injection curve and torque were modified. The test truck went back on the road to do its job. The injection curve is modified on the original vehicle software. It is different in every vehicle, and it is adapted to the use that is going to be made of the truck, as ideal operating parameters may vary depending on the work to be done, the type of route to be followed, or the weight to be transported, taking very much into account the driving style. Improved power and torque does not only provide fuel savings, but also more relaxed, comfortable driving, thereby increasing safety. It should be noted that with the modification of the injection curve, there is less mechanical wear and longer engine life as the engine runs at a lower rotational speed. The data and graphs showed consumption before ECU reprogramming at 40 litres per 100 kilometers. After reprogramming the ECU, consumption drops down to 33 litres per 100 kilometers, while driving efficiency rose. After a month and a half monitoring the vehicle, the Solo Camión magazine testers visited our facilities on the 24th of March to perform the test on a single route. Telemetry tests were carried out on the DAF in Tudela to verify that consumption improved by reprogramming the ECU.
Mucha más potencia, muchos bajos, o sea, mucho par. Y después en consumo yo he notado, sin la programación me gastaba 42, 43 litros, y ahora con la programación me gasto 36 para arriba, y para abajo de 36,7 estoy en 32.
The test started at 9:25 a.m. with the ECU as it had been reprogrammed by the company NTDD. The vehicle was driven 73.2 kilometers until 10:23 a.m. As you can see in the picture, consumption in this stretch was 34.2 liters per 100 kilometers.
Vas a ganar mínimo 14% de consumo, y los bajos te van a aumentar pues bastante más, cerca del 20%.
Es que un camión que tenga mucho par es una maravilla.
At the destination, the ECU was returned to factory settings. The second part of the test started at 11 a.m. and the vehicle was driven 68.9 kilometers until 11:56 a.m.
¿Ves? ¿Cómo ha revolucionado?
Sí, se nota,
Sí, hombre. Ahí es donde verdaderamente vi que habíamos hecho
una buena operación.
Sí, muy buena operación. Y me pareció que el coste había sido ridículo. ¿Ridículo por qué? Por dos cuestiones. Primero, la alegría de subir. Segundo, el consumo. Y tercero, que la gente dice, esto iba vacío. Y yo voy con 41 toneladas brutas.
460 y mira cómo sube.
During the return trip to Toledo on the same road, consumption was 37 liters per 100 kilometers. it can be stated that the test truck's fuel consumption, when circulating with the ECU programmed by NTDD, was 7.5% less than with the ECU with the factory settings.